Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add mega menus on Elementor on WordPress. So let's get right to it. First of all, there are two plugins that you need. Here I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and the two plugins that you need are the Royal add-ons for Elementor and obviously Elementor itself. So if you don't have them, go to plugins, add new plugin, and here search for Elementor, hit enter. And here are the two plugins that you need, the Elementor Website Builder and the Royal Elementor add-ons. Now, I do have both of them installed and active. However, if you don't have them, it should say here install now. And then once it's installed, click on activate at the same location here. Do this for both of these platforms, then let's continue. I'll just create a new page. You can apply, of course, the settings for your current pages on your website, but I'll just create a new page just for this tutorial. Go to Pages, Add New Page, and then click on Edit with Elementor. And one quick note before you continue is that if you are subscribed to Elementor Pro, there is no need to install the Royal add-ons. However, it does offer some extra widgets that you can find useful. Now, simply search here for Mega Menu, and here it is. It's part of the Royal suite here, or Royal add-ons for Elementor. Or, as I told you, if you have Elementor Pro, you will find the menu. However, it will be named just Menu in the Elementor Pro. Simply, in either way, simply drag here the mega menu, drop it at any location, and here you can start editing the settings to content of the menu. Of course, you have to add menus for your theme settings through appearance and menus, and you'll have the option to customize them. You can also edit the style, and you have some advanced options as well to edit all the settings you need for your mega menu on WordPress.